Assalamu alaikum, welcome back students. Today we perform an identification test for organic compound. First we perform the preliminary test. So here we take in phenol. First thing we observe, it is in the form of colorless crystal and it have a characteristic smell. You can observe it when you handling it. Now moving on, the next is called ignition test. In this test we take a small amount of phenol on a spatula and take it over a sooty flame. You can observe that phenol melts slowly. So we confirm that phenol have aromatic nature and it is an aromatic compound. While the melting point of phenol is 40.5 centigrade. Now we perform solubility test taking 1 gram of NaOH on a plain paper. You can see we weight NaOH. We exactly take 1 gram of NaOH. Now we crush it to convert it into a powder form and prepare a dilute solution by dissolving it in water. After that we add phenol to NaOH solution to check its solubility. Now you can see phenol dissolve easily in sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is basic in nature basically, while phenol have an acidic nature. So we confirm it have an acidic nature because it dissolve readily in base. This is how we perform the identification test for organic compound. For more videos, subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.